everyone, welcome back to our channel Food Art and Travel. So today we'll be making a Pooja Thali out of waste dupatta and old ganpati idol. So let's start. To begin with, paint the thali with acrylic paint of your choice. Now place the thali in an inverted position over the dupatta and cut it according to the size of your thali. Now using a glue gun, apply it over the thali and keep on sticking the dupatta over it. Just make sure that you are using glue gun in the supervision of your elders. It will look like this. Now, just invert the thali and stick the ends with the glue gun. Just make sure that all the ends are stick to the thali. It will look like this. Now, just take a lace of your choice and keep on sticking it to the ends of the thali. You can also use wool or any decorative material to decorate the thali accordingly. Just keep on sticking the lace with the glue gun. Once it's done, keep the thali in an inverted position and cut out a piece from the dupatta of its size. Using a glue gun, stick this part to your thali. Next step is to decorate it with whatever materials you have. I am decorating this thali with some small mirrors that are easily available at any store. You can also use flowers or beads for this purpose. Now we'll decorate the Ganpati idol and goddess Laxmi idol. I've already painted these idols. Just keep on sticking mirrors or beads over them. There's no need to buy Ganpati idol and goddess Laxmi idol every year. You can just repaint them and you can recycle it. This packet of beads was easily available at the stationery shop. You just have to use your creativity to give it a new look. This thali could also be used for puja during Navratres and Diwali. Once it's done, you can also decorate it with LED lightnings. Once we are done, just keep this beautifully decorated plate in a plastic or polythene bag, and you can take it out whenever you need it. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't till now. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.